So in this video, we're going to take you from Lake Sumter Square to Spanish Springs Square. I have to say, I think it is one of the better rides, and the reason I think it's a better ride is really there's two reasons. One, it was a lot quicker than Brownwood to Lake Sumter, like probably 20 minutes quicker. And number two, we had already stopped in Brownwood and Lake Sumter Square, so everybody had already had a few drinks and were laughing and having a good time.
No, they were in our lane. No, they weren't.
Yeah, they were.
No, they were in our lane.
It smells like dog shit and cigar.
I am so wet. So bad.
I can't breathe. I need some oxygen. Corona will do. All right, take the wheel. Take the wheel.
Me too.
It started to rain a little bit on the way to Spanish Springs, but we just rolled the sides down on the golf cart and kept going. Once we got to Spanish Springs, we went to Amerikanos, and then we went to Kilwins, I believe it's called. Those are really the only two things we did in Spanish Springs, because those were the only two things that were open at the time. Spanish Springs is the old square, and by old, I mean it's the first square that the village has had. It's the square that's been there the longest, with no entertainment or anything going on Saturday afternoon. There was hardly anybody out there. The chocolate shop is really one of my favorite places, and one thing I wish we'd have done is I wish we'd have went behind the buildings of the square, because if you go behind the buildings of the square, there's a lot cooler stuff behind them to actually look at.
I want everything in your case.
Hope you enjoy the video. At the end, make sure give it a like, subscribe. It means a lot to me for you guys to subscribe and like the videos. Make sure you leave comments below what you enjoyed about the video, what you'd like to see next time, and we will see you there.